Hello guys, good morning. Namaste. So today's video I'm going to show you how to cook the buttered asparagus. First you need to boil the asparagus until it cook, and then after that you need to mix with the salt and the remaining water from the boiling, and then next is to put the black pepper and then just mix guys, and then next is you need to put the butter, and then just mix until all the butter melt, and then just mix until the butter all melted. So thank you so much for watching guys, hope you like it, and if you like, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So yeah na guys, um all the butter it already melt, and then you can a little bit mix, and then after that you can off the gas. So yeah na guys, ready na. Hope you will like it. Have a blessed and wonderful day to all. Thank you so much.